this song is called Express Yourself. Express yourself. Express yourself. Express yourself. Express yourself. Cause you're the only one who is ever gonna be you. You know that? You're the only one who is ever gonna be you. So express yourself. Ow! Express yourself. Yeah. Express yourself. Ooh, express yourself. Say it this way. Express yourself, yeah. Express yourself, yeah. Express yourself, yeah. Express yourself, yeah. Express yourself. Ooh. Self-expression doesn't have to be wild. It could be the reason why you're wearing a smile. Express yourself no matter what you do. You can't keep that smile from coming through. You don't have to take off your clothes because your self-expression always shows. And I'm not talking about your talent or your skill because that kind of thing is kind of run-of-the-mill. I'm talking about the way you view the world. Because there lies a very valuable pearl. Because if this world is not the way you see it, the world you want to live in, you must be it. If this world is not the way you see it, the world you want to live in, you must be it. If this world is not the way you see it, the world you want to live in, you must be it. If this world is not the way you see it, the world you want to live in, you must be it. So, express yourself. Express yourself. Express yourself. Express yourself. Hey, how you living? Yes, I'm living. How you living? Hey, yes, I'm living. How you living? Hey, yes, I'm living. Hey, how you living? Hey, yes, I'm living. Hey, oh yeah, express yourself. Ready? Express yourself. Help me out. Express yourself. Express yourself. We're gonna do a flute. What's that flute now? It's your life now. Come on, people. It's your life now. Come on, people. Do your thing now. Come on, people. It's your life now. Come on, people. Do your thing now. I say, excuse me while I kiss the sky. I don't need no permission. Just watch me fly. Woo! Let's do our heart again. Ready?